welcome to this installment of So, You Think You Can Dance. Hello everyone, it's Kay, and today we are here in my dance studio. I haven't really introduced myself as a dancer yet, just because I was kind of hesitant on what people might think or just throwing content out when it's kind of out of the blue. But if you don't know, I was a competitive dancer for several years in high school until college hit. And let's just say that I had no time for anything. Dance was that safe haven for me to come to whenever I was stressed, whenever people weren't the nicest, or I just felt really lonely. It was a nice place for me to express my feelings. So I hope you will enjoy, and let's get into training with me. Okay, so the first step before I do anything else, I need to get my body warm. And by warm, I mean the blood flowing and toasty and not feeling as cold and as stiff as I do right now. So I'm gonna use my foam roller, where I like to foam roll out my muscles. It releases the lactic acid buildup that goes into your muscles whenever you're basically just doing a bunch of nothing, which I have been doing practically since summer started. So I kind of need to be able to get these muscles ready to turn, leap, jump, and kick. Alrighty, hello friends. It's time for a little potassium boost and some water. You know, gotta keep those fluids in. Honestly, I feel so out of shape. I knew I was going to be tired, but oh my gosh, am I tired. Like, I usually can dance about 2 hours and still feel like I have more to give. It's been an hour and a half and my body is just saying no. Just done, completely finished, I'm tired. It's very nice to be back in a studio again. I haven't been able to dance as much anymore because of college. I get to teach and choreograph, but not as much just straight dancing. The only time I dance is maybe like after hours when I just improv or something, but I haven't really had any more training because, you know, I didn't decide to do anything in dance besides just do it recreationally. I'm pursuing a different path, which is unfortunate, but I mean, capitalism at its finest. Bananas really slap.
Just where it was needed, gleaming black as night, cloistered in injustice, dead in the eye of time. Nobody is losing, faces merge and change, but your face remains the same.